You know how your iPhone seems to know everywhere you go and everything you do? Yeah, that is not a coincidence. Let me show you how to shut all that down in under 2 minutes. Hey guys! In this video, I am going to show you how to stop your iPhone from tracking you. And not just that, you will also learn how to stop apps from watching your activity, protect your personal data, and keep your location private. Once you follow these steps, your phone becomes a whole lot more secure. Let me walk you through it. Alright, let us start with the first and most important setting. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Tracking. Right here you will see an option that allows apps to track your activity across other apps and websites. If this is turned on, turn it off. Also, if any apps below are allowed, disable them too. That is it. Now, apps cannot follow your activity anymore. Now, let us go one step further. Go back to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Analytics and Improvements. Here's the thing. Your iPhone has been sharing your usage data, your activity, and other information without really asking. Turn off all these options. Now go back. Tap on Apple Advertising. Turn that off too. This stops your data from being used for targeted ads. So now your personal activity stays private. Now, the final step. Go back again and tap on Location Services. Here you will see every app that has been using your location. If there is any app you do not trust, tap on it and set it to never. Now scroll all the way down. Tap on System Services. Here is the important part. Look for significant locations. This feature has been tracking places you visit often, like your home or work. Turn it off. And while you are there, clear the history. Now your location is no longer being stored or tracked. So think about this for a second. Apps cannot track you. Your data is not being shared. And your location is private. That is a huge improvement in your privacy, and it only took a couple of minutes. That is it. Simple steps, big impact. If this actually helped you out, do me a favor and tap the subscribe button before you head out. I make simple tech tutorials just like this one. And comment below what you want to learn next. I read every single one. See you in the next video.